Alright, so here's my package from Diamond Art Club, and Taylor's going to open it and take the stuff out of it. And then we will do an unboxing of each kit.
Grandma, here for that piece. It's like a
So it's a big box, and then there's a bunch of paper in there.
I'm going to take all of them.
And she is going to make a huge paper mess before she gets out any kits, apparently.
What? There's only 4. Okay.
And there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4 kits from Diamond Art Club. Sorry about all the loud paper. Taylor was having fun playing in it. Okay, we will do the unboxings here shortly. See you then. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie and little Miss Taylor. And okay, so Diamond Art Club
set Grandma 4 diamond painting.
Diamond Art Club had a BOGO, buy one get one free. So I paid for 2 and got 2 free. This will be the first of 4 unboxings from Diamond Art Club. I ordered them on Thursday, and today is Saturday, and they're already here. One of the perks of living pretty close to where they are. Yeah, let's just go ahead and open these. Taylor's picking the order of which ones these are coming out, so this is the one she picked first. As you can tell, it's the black box. Not that it matters to me, but this one's the black box, and we are about to open it.
Can I rub it?
You sure can. Go right there. You cut it all the way up. Just follow this all the way up. Go ahead.
Guys, if you hear me coughing, that's because I'm sick.
Yep, she woke up this morning with a cough and a stuffy nose and a fever, so.
No, I woke up before Grandma woke up and needed to go potty. And my throat was hurting, my eye was hurting.
Okay, so this kit is this picture right here. I think that's coming through, but if it's not, it's okay. I will, I'll insert a picture right here for you of what it's going to be.
Grandma tried to surprise me, but I saw the picture.
She saw what it was. Alright, so in here, phone's ringing, gone. In here is the canvas.
That's a big bag.
And the toolkit. And the big old bag of drills. This is the only square diamond painting that I ordered. The rest of them are round with AB gems. Alright, show them the toolkit, T.
It has the wax that.
Back it up, remember?
That's a heart. That's what I love. And another wax that's a heart.
What else is in there?
A blue pen.
Okay, what else?
You know I'm going to separate this, right?
Yes, I know you're going to separate them.
The boat. It's clear. The
Go ahead.
baggies.
Keep showing.
This was the thingy that goes on the pens. Very squishy. And baggies.
And a 3-placer.
And a 3-placer.
And it comes in this nice plastic container.
And it comes in this nice soft baggie.
Okay. Alright, you put those away?
Can I separate them?
Just put them in here and we'll separate them into the drawers when we're done with the videos, okay?
Okay. Now, so I can do everything.
Whoa! I just chucked that right at you. Okay, come sit back over here again.
Can I do everything?
So, looks like there's a little bit of weird lighting right through here. There's nothing I can do about that. That's the natural lighting through the window. So this one might just turn out a little bit weird. In between videos, I'll see if I can cover that up because it just looks funny to me. Alright, let's take a look at this gorgeous canvas.
Whoa, that's pretty.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've had my eye on this one for a long time.
It's pretty. I like the bigger than the fish.
And when the BOGO came out, this was on the BOGO list. So
Grandma does have to buy it.
I just had to, huh? There you go. Can you see that? Look how gorgeous that thing is.
She buy the raw diamond paintings and not even work on them.
I'm working on one. I'm working on my Elysium Bridge. I'm actually working on many different diamond paintings.
But,
Oh gosh, no, this lighting is horrible.
but you will have to take a break and start working on every single one.
Right? Okay, so there is the drill field. Hold on, let me see what I can do with the lighting. Okay, we're back. This canvas is a 52 by 63. It is, of course, the super soft Diamond Art Club canvas.
Whoa, it feels like a lemon that has hair on it. Look.
Lemon that has hair on it? I don't know what kind of lemons you're eating, girlfriend, but I don't want any. That's weird.
It's like
Okay, so there's the picture. And here is, maybe if I can control the canvas. And here is the symbol list. There you go. And the drill field. Which is extremely clear. It's also, of course, the sparkly, pretty canvas.
it's all glittery. Even right here.
It's all glittery, even right there, huh?
Can we see how sticky they are?
And 37 colors. So here is the great big, this is called Dream. And here is the Diamond Art Club, the kit number. There we go. Diamond Art Club, the kit number. Dream 2018-12/7, I think is when it was packaged. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at the drills.
We forgot how sticky.
Oh, do you want to see how sticky it is? Alright, Taylor's going to put her finger on there and do the sticky test. Oh, yeah, it's plenty sticky, huh? There is absolutely nothing wrong with this canvas. Look, I just unrolled it, and it's already just playing beautifully. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at these here drills. They don't come with an inventory sheet. Diamond Art Club never does.
Can I take one out?
So we're just going to divide them into colors and make sure we have all the colors we need. Hold on, I'm going to flip this canvas over so that my camera can make it so you can see the colors. Look at that gorgeous canvas.
This is a purple blue.
What color, what number is that? 154.
965.
Oh, 796. This is 798.
Can you give me some?
Hold on. 334. 797.
How about I show them the colors, I pass them to you, and you say the numbers.
I'd rather just show them while it's up there. 3846. Yep. 742.
This is a peach color.
3855.
This is like a mint green, but lighter.
3817.
This is like an ocean blue.
There you go. 3760.
This is a pretty color. Don't you love it?
It's 3841.
Yeah, two are the same one.
Turn the heater off. We don't need that on, huh? 3854. There's multiples of those, huh?
Yeah.
38.57.
These are the 2 multiples we have.
Where's your booty? Booty, booty, booty. Alright. Oh, goodness, you okay?
Yeah. Can you give me some? No, like a lot.
No, that's enough. We've got 8.23. 7.98. We've already shown that one. There's a bag of 3 tens. 38.28. What number is that one? 336.
This one is 977.
977. No, I don't have that one yet. 977. 3371. 3371. 400. 597. 803. 'Big old bag of 939s. 597. 38.46.
Here's a baggie.
Okay, just put it in the kit. 38.55.
Wait, what did you put the kit?
I don't know. Oh, right now. I thought you had it last. Imagine my surprise. 519. Another big old bag of 939. 814. 996. 798. 977.
Guys,
400.
guess what? We have 3 of these ones and 3 of these ones.
That's right, huh?
And 2
740.
of these ones, and 2 of these ones, and 2 of these ones.
38.17. There is 37.60. A bunch of those. 519. 37.60. There's 900. More 900s. 740. Okay, this is taking a bit, so I'm going to go ahead and pause and finish separating these out so I can make sure that I've got all the colors. And then Taylor and I will be right back. Just a second. Okay, we are back. And we have all 37 colors.
They look pretty.
Look at all the variety of colors in this, from the purples, maroons, tons of different blues, oranges.
Can I show you what my favorite?
This super gorgeous color, which is 3760. I love that color.
Can I show
Yep,
you?
show me what your favorite one is.
This one, this one, this one, this one, that one, and that one.
She has a lot of
And
favorites.
this one, this
She
one,
likes the colors in these?
this one.
Okay, you're
All
good,
of
T.
them. All of
Alright,
them.
so let's go ahead and do the unboxing scoring on this. Accuracy of description. Easy to understand, clear and correct. Absolutely. I knew exactly what I was getting, so 1 point for that. Processing time from order to ship. From order to delivery was
It's
actually
fun.
2 days. So clearly a full point for that. The outside packaging was in the great big box that I showed the clip of before this video, so definitely a point for that.
3?
The inside, yep, they're at 3. The inside packaging, it was in the black box. So it was in the super
Awesome.
pretty box. Look at that box. Even the box is gorgeous. It was in the super pretty box. Inside was the canvas. The drills were all packaged beautifully. Everything inside packaging was great. Point for that. 4. Toolkit, drills, canvas, all included. Point for that. Canvas condition, flawless. I will take a Diamond Art Club canvas any day of the week. So definitely a point for that.
6.
Yep. Glue condition, flat, sticky, no bubbles. Absolutely. Point for that. The drills condition, I don't see any trash, any nubs, any misshapen drills while I was sorting them. So they'll get a point for that. Symbols, clear and easy to read. Clear and easy to read. Yes, I didn't see any issue with the symbols. I'll insert a picture of the drill field here if I remember. Overall, am I impressed? Oh yeah, I'm excited. This is going to be amazing.
I just love the back.
It is going to turn out just fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I mean, look at that picture. Yeah. It's going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
10.
So, overall, unboxing scoring, 10 out of 10. Good job, Diamond Art Club. I would actually expect no less. So, yeah. We'll go ahead and clean this one up. And I'm probably going to medicate Taylor before I film the next one. But it won't be attached to this one anyway, so you wouldn't even notice. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in that comment section below.
Give a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up because Taylor said so.
Or give us a thumbs down. We don't care.
Right, either way, whatever. Show your love or your troll love. It doesn't matter. It's good. We thank you all for watching and subscribing. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.